Present value is a financial concept that refers to the value of future cash flow in today's dollars. It is used to compare the value of future cash flows to the value of cash flows today. This is an important aspect of project management because it allows for a more accurate comparison of the costs and benefits of a project over time. In project management, present value is used to evaluate the financial feasibility of a project. By converting the future cash flows to their present value, it allows for a more accurate comparison of the cost and benefits of a project over its lifetime. It also allows for the consideration of time value of money, which accounts for the fact that money today is worth more than the same amount of money in the future due to inflation and opportunity costs. In exam, you may get a question like, a company is considering investing in a new project that requires an initial investment of $100,000. The project is expected to generate cash flows of $40,000 in year 1, $50,000 in year 2, $60,000 in year 3, and $70,000 in year 4. Conduct a discounted cash flow analysis at 10%. To evaluate the financial feasibility of the project, the company can use a discounted cash flow analysis to convert the future cash flows to their present value using the formula mentioned on the screen. Using a discounted rate of 10% and the present value of the cash flow in year 1 would be $36,364, year 2 would be $41,322, year 3 $45,079, and year 4 $47,811. The total present value of the cash flow would be $170,576. When the total present value is subtracted from the initial investment, the net present value would be $70,576. This means that the project will be expected to generate a net present value of $70,576 when using a discount rate of 10%. This will also indicate that the project is financially viable as it is expected to generate a positive return on investment. It is important to note that the discount rate used in the calculation of the present value is a crucial factor that affects the net present value. A higher discount rate will result in a lower present value and lower net present value, indicating that the project is less financially viable. See you in the next lecture.